Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today, we are going to be taking a look at some long to short hair transformations. So, if you just want to get some inspiration for a brand new haircut, or if you just want to see ladies chopping off their hair, stay tuned. So, here we have someone, the stylist is doing a really long chop here. Her hair, I would say, is about waist length. He cuts it all off into a bob. Oh, she is getting a pixie cut here. Oh wow. She looks absolutely beautiful. Loving this short hair makeover. Next up, we have someone once again with waist length hair. And bam, she gets a cute bob with the money piece highlights in the front. I love the pop of color here. It's very subtle, but very fun. Here we have someone with the waist length hair, and she chops it off into a bob. Here we have a butterfly layered haircut. Now this is really interesting because I've never seen the butterfly cut done on someone who has hair around shoulder length. And we move on over to someone who once again has long waist length hair. Got a blonde going here. And bam, she goes darker with this cute bob. Wow, look at her. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Now her hair, I would say, is definitely past waist length. Like I would say hip length maybe. The hair is braided and then cut off. Now, more than likely, she is going to donate this hair because it is braided. 60s inspired mod pixie. I did a whole video on this. This is a very popular haircut trend right now. Oh, wow. That is super cute. Love the way that came out. Here we have someone with a shoulder length hair. Like she's going to get a shorter bob. Ooh, very cute French girl style bob here. Here we have someone else with very long waist length hair. She decided to cut it off into a shoulder length lob. I love her makeup here. Here we have another person with waist length hair. Stylist is doing a bob here as well. Nice tousled curls. Very cute. And then we have a pixie cut refresh. Nice, simple, and chic. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.